Hi everyone, today we have secondary BME students with us. So these students going to have a discussion on topic called DT based development of wearable device. So in this topic the students going to discuss mainly focused on design thinking approach in the development of wearable device. As all we know that the wearable device are being used by every people in everyday life. It starts like example like wearable watches, wristband, and so many things are there. So even right from kids to elder people, these people started to use this wearable device in their daily routine. So in this case study, the group of secondary BME students going to address what are the different design thinking stages is being implemented in during development of wearable device in order to give promising effectiveness of device. So let's move on to the discussion now. Yes guys, shall we start the discussion now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, first give introduction yourself, then we will move on to the topic.
Yeah, greetings ma'am. This is Kokla from second year BME.
Hello ma'am, I am Krasni from second year BME.
Hello ma'am, I am Jerry from second year BME.
Hello ma'am, I am Ravnath from second year BME.
Hello ma'am, I am Visha from second year BME.
Yes, we can start now.
Hello everyone. Today our group will be discussing about how design thinking can be implemented to the development of wearable devices. Basically, design thinking is a human-centered problem-solving approach that focuses on the understanding of the user needs before designing a solutions. So, wearable devices such as smartwatches, fitness bands, and ECG monitors and other rehabilitation medical devices are most usually worldwide. However, the patient feels discomfort and discomfort of inaccurate data and short-lived battery span and the poor usability of elderly patients. So, the first stage in the design thinking is empathy, which is about understanding the user needs, that is the lifestyle and the health conditions, expectations and the limitations. For example, elderly patients feel discomfort in using the wearable devices because of a small displays, and also meanwhile the patients feel discomfort using the wearable devices for long hours. So understanding these pain points can lead to improvise the device for better designs.
Yes. So it's a very good start. She has started with what are the problems which is being encountered in wearable device which is being used by the elder peoples, right? So next to the first stage, what is the second stage in design thinking?
After the Kokila's point, the second stage is defined. After understanding from the user, the second stage is defined. In these stages, we define the problem statement from the user observation instead of choosing the general problem statement. So we frame a similar user-focused problem statement for a wearable device. The similar problem statement could be elderly cardiac patients need a comfortable and easy to wear and continuously monitoring the visual signs without repeating the charges. So this stages is very much important because ensuring the choosing the right problem statement will give an effective solution. So based on this, which is easy to design and data privacy and accuracy and reliability. Designing the right problem statement will ensure that not only a technical but also the user friendly and a practical.
After the second stage defined, the third stage of design thinking is that ideation. In this stage, we generate multiple creative ideas to the defined problem. At this stage, there is no wrong problem. For example, if we create a wearable devices, our ideas includes a flexible and skin-friendly sensors and voice assistant integrated system for elderly users, low power IoTs for longer battery life, and also easy accessible mobile app with simple dashboard and modular design for easy replacement. The brainstorming helps us to generate innovative ideas by combining technology and user friendly. After this brainstorming, we evaluate the ideas based on the cost effectiveness and user friendly and to develop the further project.
Hello everyone, after the third stage ideation, the fourth stage is prototype. A prototype is a model of an idea. It represents the visualization and the testing of a final product. For our wearable device, the prototype may include a wearable band and an embedded sensor such as heart rate sensor or temperature sensor, and microcontroller and battery module, and mobile app interfaces. For prototype allows us check comfort and size, and testing a sensor, and placement of a sensor, and find and correct the errors regularly. To this stage, we reduce the cost and we increase the more efficiency of our final product.
Hello everyone. Finally, testing. The final stage of design thinking is testing. In this stage, the prototype is tested with real users. Feedback is collected regarding comfort, accuracy, usability, and overall satisfaction. Based on feedback, we refine the device and many revisit earlier stage if needed. Design thinking is an iterative process, not a linear one. Finally, I would like to conclude applying design thinking to wearable device ensure that the device is user-centric, real-world problems are addressed, innovation is practical and meaningful. This design thinking plays a crucial role in developing effective, reliable, and human-friendly wearable device. Thank you.
So I think now we had a very detailed discussion on how the design thinking approach is being implemented in development of wearable device, right? So not only wearable device, if we take any sort of device, the approach called design thinking plays a very important role since it is a human-centric approach, especially problem solving case. So if you are designing such medical device using this approach, it always ensures the performance of medical device meets requirements, that is patient requirements, what actually they needed. Yes, thank you. We had very good discussion.
Thank you.